Hi everyone, today we are at District 12. We have this well-renovated 3-bedroom condo. It is beautifully done up with over 100,000 worth of renovation and comes with a breathtaking unblocked view. Once again, I'm Cedric from Property 65, presenting to you Beacon Heights. Located in an exclusive landed enclave, Beacon Heights is a freehold high-rise development at 8 Mar Thorma Road. This project was completed in 2012 with a total of 212 units. Residents of Beacon Heights can also enjoy facilities such as the clubhouse, lap pool, tennis court, jacuzzi, floating gym. Beacon Heights is also conveniently located with plenty of amenities nearby, such as house supermarket, NTUC, Condominium wet market, and food center. Shopping malls such as City Square Mall, the poise and the venue are just within 5-minute drive away. What's more is that you have St. Wilfred Active SG Sports Center just within walking distance, perfect for your morning jog or morning gym session. As for family with kids, the reputable Homeworld Primary School, Balestier Primary, St. Andrew Juniors is within 1 km radius. Within 2 km radius, you have schools such as Canosa Catholic Primary, Cedar Primary, Farrer Park Primary, just to name a few. Without further ado, let's head to the unit. As this is a corner unit, you have access to extra common space right in front of your entrance. Great space to store your shoes. This unit is sized at 1109 square feet. Come with 1 master ensuite, 1 single bedroom, and 1 common room. Upon entering the unit, the first thing you notice is the breathtaking view. All the way at the end, over here, where it's towards the south facing, and let us take a moment to enjoy the view. Back to the home tour. Upon stepping into the unit, you have access to storage space on your left that extend all the way to the kitchen, acting as a bar countertop. It's a very efficient way to conserve space. You also have extra storage cabinet on the top and bottom. Alright, moving forward for the dining and living area. Over here, comfortable sofa to TV distance. And of course, at the back, we have our dining area where you can have your very own alfresco dining with a great view. The kitchen is well renovated with premium carpentry. The kitchen countertop is made of pristine shellstone quartz material. This unit also comes with a storeroom and yard area that can be separated with this glass door. Both living and kitchens are fully covered by vinyl flooring. Moving to our first common room, the owner has actually remodeled the house for a larger living space and also more storage. As for the first common room, it comes with a full height wardrobe, and of course, it shares the same view as the dining area. As for the second common room, the owner has converted it into their personal workstation. If needed, you can easily put in a single or queen size bed over here, changing it into a bedroom. Lastly, our well-renovated master bedroom with plenty of storage, generously sized. The owner have also remodeled the master room, making the wardrobe much bigger than before. It actually extends to the adjoining room to provide more wardrobe space for you. Know what's my favorite part? Come and take a look yourself. Both bathrooms are well renovated. The master bath comes with an additional planter at the end. Not a single cent was wasted on the renovation. Not sure if you have noticed, there's really lots of storage space in the unit. Alright, we have come to the end of the home tour, and if you like what you see, I'm Cedric from Property 65, and I'll see you soon. Hi guys, thanks for watching the video, and congrats to the owner as the house was sold. Contact us to uplift your property value. We sell higher, Call me to explore your choices now.